if you're interested in finance, this is really a great time to think about the exchange, because number one, the exchange is really a very unique place. It's one intersection of the financial services industry where almost everybody invariably ended up congregating here, because you have users of capital, you have investors of capital, you have people who manage their risk and hedge their risk, you have people who make investment, you have people speculating, but ultimately the center of action, the center of attention is at the exchange. Working for the Hong Kong Exchange in particular at this time is really, really interesting. The Hong Kong Exchange today is in the middle of transformative change, is really shifting away from its traditional pure cash equity focus, is really moving beyond equity, moving into commodities, fixed income and currency. And all of this is really evolving the central theme of Hong Kong Exchange being the connector between the rest of the world and China. You know, you have the second largest economy of the world, which really is going through the next stage, earth-shattering transformation of its financial services sector. So, you know, we are in that unique position of wanting to create an Asian time zone financial exchange, of a world-class standing, to make sure that we are shaping the world in the next century to come. We've been talking about China's opening for a long time, and every time we talk about it, it seems to be around the corner. It is now indeed around the corner with the to-be-launched Shanghai-Hong Kong Connect, with the London Metal Exchange product eastward extension into Hong Kong in December, and and with the renminbi internationalization kicking up a higher gear. I really think you can't find a better time to be in the right place at the right time, working for the right organization, and that's really Hong Kong Stock Exchange. I don't really see anything else coming close. You got to be intellectually curious. You wanted to learn. You wanted to understand new things. You want to go into areas where you don't really know. If you are lazy and if you are not really terribly curious, you want to repeat the same thing again and again, this is not really the place for you, because we are trying so many new things and so many new directions. We wanted young people who come here, wants to learn, want to ask why, want to get to the bottom of the answers, and wanted to express a strong desire, wanting to do something new, want to learn something every day. The second thing I really think we're looking for people who truly have to have some basic, sense how, the universe of financial services works. You don't need to be a master of it. You cannot be possibly, but you need to have a good sense of numbers. You have a good sense of economic issues. You have a good sense of basic economic concepts, and you have to be excited about the market. If you are not, this is not really, for you. The third thing I think we're looking for is somebody who have a good communication skills, who really are able to communicate, because we are not, you're not sitting in your room and designing a new product. Hopefully people like it. We are talking about an intersection of everybody who come to the market. So you don't necessarily need to be on the frontline sales position, but you do need to have strong personal skills, communication skills, and be a good communicator. That's quite important.